What is this? What is Mama and Papa wearing?
Seat belt.
Seat belt. So wearing seat belt while driving on the road is good manner or bad manner?
Good manners.
Good manners. Why? Why we should wear seat belt? हमें seat belt क्यों पहनना चाहिए?
It will make it safe.
Well, yes, to make us safe. Yes. So we should always wear seat belt.
Seat belt.
Yes. So that we should not hurt ourselves.
But yes.
Yes. Okay. So it is a good manner, bad manners?
Good manners.
Good manners. So Mama and Papa is wearing seat belt
Seat
because
belt.
it is a good manner.
Good manners.
Yes.
We
We should.
not wear seat belt.
Huh?
You can make fuss.
Yes. So always wear.
Wear seat belt.
Yes. Always wear
Seat
seat belt. Thank you, everyone.